Today we're joined by Chris from Nulon, one of our trusted partners at Auto One. Chris is here to talk all things oils and why choosing the right product really matters.
Nulon have been supporting the DIY since the 1980s. What sets us apart is our innovation, especially around additive technology. It's in our DNA and we've flown that through to our oils, coolants and additive range. Not all engine oils are created equally, and modern engines are more sophisticated than ever. So to get the right formulation to give you better fuel efficiency and protect those modern engines is critical. It's not about changing your engine oil, it's about getting the right formulation to protect your engine. And of course, there's a wealth of knowledge in the local Auto One store. So if you have any questions, head on in store and ask the friendly staff today. Our engine oils are designed for maximum protection, even under the most extreme conditions. They're going to improve engine cleanliness, extend your service intervals, and protect you against general wear and tear. Nulon products are specifically formulated for Australia's sometimes harsh conditions. So whether you're daily driving, in city stop-start traffic, you're hitting the open road for the weekend with the family, you're towing a heavy boat, or you're sometimes hitting the racetrack, our additive formulations are designed specifically to protect against those harsh conditions. And we believe this gives customers peace of mind knowing they're getting a premium product at a great price. So my advice for people that are looking for oil is don't be overwhelmed. There's a lot of numbers on the bottles and a lot of people do get confused. But between Nulon and the friendly staff here at Auto One, they're going to make that journey really easy. The one tip I can give any new DIY is staying on top of maintenance. It's the single best thing you can do. Regular oil and filter changes, even between the OEM factory specifications, will go a long way and potentially save you a lot of money.